Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Welcome back to my channel. Well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood in Grand Marais, and I'm having a fantastic morning, me, all by myself in my van. Let's see, it's about 66 in the van right now. Probably, I don't know what it is outside, I didn't even check, but I'm at a campground. I just used the restroom, got myself all sorted, and I can't even tell you how wonderful it was last night to sleep in this van with these screens on these Sokozi window covers. It's a total game changer. Not an exaggeration either. Just the fact that I can put them down when I'm going to bed. It's completely black in here. No one can see in. Now, if there's any light outside, it's minimal because of the way the screens are made. But I gotta tell you, it was great. I didn't even sleep with a sleeping bag last night. I literally slept with this. That's it. Just this little thin blanket all night long. And it was unbelievably comfortable in here. It was about 75 in my van when I went to bed, but the windows were open, so there was a slight little air breeze, and I had my fans going, but it got down to 66, which it is still currently, and I just opened the door and used the restroom, so wish I knew. I'll post what the temperature is after I take this video. I'll take a screenshot of it. But anyhow, I had a fantastic night. I'm glad I came here. No more bugs. And like I said before, I'm not doing that again. I can't. And that is all. But anyhow, today, what I have planned is I am going to go rock hunting in the other direction on this fine beach of this campground. And it's going to be a gorgeous day today. I can't even believe this weather. I talked to my husband yesterday and he said it was raining and gloomy and cruddy at home. And here I'm up here with blue skies, sun, a little bit of wind on Lake Superior, of course, but not waves, which is kind of crazy. There was not a lot of waves yesterday. It was like glass. It is this morning. I'll take a picture and show you. But yeah, a great night. I don't eat in the morning, so I'm not going to be making breakfast for a while, but I will make a coffee here and kind of relax. It's only, I think it was 6:51 when I started this video, so it's probably nearing 7 a.m. right now. But it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Let me show you what we got going outside. Just gorgeous out today. A really peaceful place. Here's my makeshift line. Works out perfect. I don't need much more than that. Just got my beach shoes and my scuba neoprene booties to put inside my shoes so I don't get sand on my feet, because that's no fun. My bath towel and my washcloth. That's it. That's all I got going on. But it's gorgeous out today. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the van. This is what I got going on. I try to keep it tidy, as you know. It's really important to me to have a clean environment to hang out in and just be clutter-free. It just makes it so much more enjoyable for me. So it is an intentional act to put everything away, I'll tell you that right now. So that's it. I'm gonna get my act together, gonna make a coffee, just relax for a little bit, and then I'm gonna be off to the beach to do some more rock hunting. All right, everyone, you have a fantastic morning. I'll catch you later. Until next time.